Welcome to the Handorino video presentation. We will show you now how to play a chooser minigame. You receive a minigame when you pass a big cherry. A female voice is telling you the instructions, but you can also read them above the game. Study the illustration carefully. When you receive such a minigame, by using the mouse, you have to choose one image from the colored ones which does not belong to the group or has to be selected because of its distinct character. When you are ready, click on the icon with a question mark in the bottom right corner and you can continue the game. Welcome to the Handorino video presentation. We will show you now how to use the help functions of the minigames. You see three green icons, one above the other, on the right side of the game. On the top, there is a loudspeaker. Clicking on the icon, you can listen to the instructions once more, anytime during playing the game. Click on the icon below showing a turning arrow when you would like to restart the minigame because you missed something. All your previous marks will disappear and you will hear the instructions again. You can check your answer with the lowermost icon with a question mark. You will see a check mark when your answer is correct and an X when it is not. Do not worry if you still could not solve the task in the minigame. After 3 incorrect answers, Handorino will show you the correct one. Check it out in the window to be smarter next time. Finally, please do not forget to click again on the question mark to continue the game.